Sweet. There we go. Cool. Let's see what we got going on here. What do we got going on here? Looking at some of the stocks. Sweet, there we go. What is dropping? Wow. Coin is dropping. This stock sucks. Literally always dies. 39 down, $40 down to 39 already. Let's see what else we got here. What is dipping? That's what we want to see. Sending pools in. Hold on, let's see. There it is. Wow, BYND is sold off. $2. Terrible. MU's coming back. MU comes down to like 210, I'll be interested. Oracle. Look at Oracle. Wow, look at that garbage. Oracle really selling off here. Where was this trading before? Is there news on these guys? It looks like they're rejecting that spot right there, 294. Yeah, we'll see if we got to pull back even further. Nice. We knew this was going to happen, Oracle. Yeah, I'm not sure where Oracle is going back so much. What? Really? Okay. Can't tell if this is bouncing or not. Double bottom, or is this a... Could retest this VWAP here at 282. This is Oracle stock. And then there's an infamous Chipotle trading at $41. Oh, MU went from 275 from 240. Yeah, what stocks you guys trading? Oracle stock still selling off. What's really moving right now is Qualcomm, I just noticed. And I'm wondering if that's part of why this is selling off. If you look at Qualcomm, what is their ticker symbol? QCOM? QCOM? There it is. Okay. Wow. Look at these guys. Well, let's see if we can trade the momentum of Qualcomm. Stock is really blowing up here. Look at this. Wow. It's up 20, 30 points. Let me just see what's the max of this. What has it like been? Oh, this is the highest ever been. Look at that. Oh, never mind. All right, so it went to 200s. Might see a retest here. Let's see. 200s coming. The obvious brake lights. Looks like it's trading above this 175. Interesting. RSI is 93 on this. Wow, look at that. You want to see at least a little pullback here. I mean, this is crazy how much this is going up. They're accelerating their data center push. Whoever has Qualcomm is printing on these contracts. Yeah, it's crazy how high this is going. Fuck is my... Where did it go? Where's Weeble? Hold on. Weeble, where'd you go? There it is. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's pulling back. I mean, this beautiful green bottom candles. How do you get in this? It's already up 30 points. We'll keep an eye on it for now. We would like to get in it, but yeah, Nvidia's great. Anything AI, data centers is really what you're looking for. It's a huge push though. It's up 13%. That was that micro pullback basically from 192 to 188 and then just started pushing even higher. This thing's probably going to test 200 before it dies. It's freaking crazy. Look at this. It just keeps going. So you're starting to stall a little bit here. Yeah, it's going to 200. Look at this. You gotta be really fast if you're trading this. Starting to get some resistance here. I mean, I think you'd kind of assume you must be getting it there. Oh, I don't have NVIDIA. This is, dude, this is QCOM. This is QCOM. Let me put the symbol up for you. Hold on. It's not lagging for you. I'm going to move this over here. There you go. QCOM stock. Just so you can see it. QCOM stock. Because NVIDIA's at 189 right now. There you go. See, look. Psychological 200 rejection. We should get a pullback here. If we don't, I'd be very surprised at this point. I feel like what you should look if you're playing a dip buy right now is MU stock. I'm going to buy 100 shares of this. Let me show you what I'm looking at. I just made 200 bucks on them. I'm looking at this dip buy right here entry. RSI super low, 35, 36. This is pulling back. This is MU stock I'm looking at. Qualcomm, we'll keep an eye on it, but it's pulling back. I don't see any bad news on them when I go on their news. I think it's just the news from Qualcomm. It just says AMD Micron may benefit, blah, 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 early takeaways. So I don't really see any bad news on them. I see this pullback. Looks nice. I like seeing this. We're already up $226 on them. They're hitting support here at 215. That's your stop loss. Easy to define. See what it does here. I'll keep Qualcomm on my watch list right now. See if there's anything else moving. MU had that bounce from 216 that we just called, so that's good. Nice little, made 230 bucks on them. We'll see if we can get a re-entry here on a dip. They got to break through that 9 EMA though. I mean, that's definitely a must, but we'll see. Thank you for the gifts. Appreciate the hearts. Got big earnings on Wednesday, so I'm excited to live stream that. I'll live stream the earnings. Amazon, Microsoft, Google. Gonna go back in MU here. Yeah, MU I just bought. Keep our stop loss tight below the low of the candle there, around 215.75. Quick scalp on them. Let's plug this in. That looks good. MU I like here. I just took another position at 216.15. Keep that tight loss. Gonna take the gains at 217. Just took half off the table. We're at $243 right now. Gonna go back in again. We get a pullback. Yeah, MU's down 228 to 216, down 12 points. It's kind of an easy way to play. You know, you have support around 215, so you can kind of check that out. That's what we're doing. Yeah, I want to see it break 217 now, just to get a little bit of, you know, support here. So let's see here. There it is. So it broke 217. Now we're interested. Get a pullback. We're buying into this. There it was. There's your bounce. See if anything else. So I'm gonna wait to see if we get a pullback entry on MU. Not really interested in AMD. It's too expensive at this point. You missed the move if you're not in it already. What stock? We're looking at MU stock. Sorry, let me put the text up so you can see. I apologize. MU. I'm watching MU. I'm looking for a pullback here. I want to see if we got 217. I'm going to scalp this. This is a quick in and out, in and out. 217. See if I have anything else moving. Right now, we are up just 243 bucks. Nothing crazy. Small scalps. Probably could have went heavier. I just didn't. I'm trying to maintain more cash flow for Wednesday. So we got going on right now. So we made 247 on MU, total up 243. Had an order in for 217.10, didn't click. A little too hesitant with that. We'll cancel that order and see if anything else is moving. Let's see, how is QCOM doing? Is QCOM finally pulling back? Switching over to QCOM. So QCOM did pull back to 195. Nice, it's right back up to 200s. Go back, MU starting to reject. Anything else tradable here? Gold is like pulling back. 368 went to 366. Finally pulling back gold. Let's see here. I'm trying to see what other stock we can trade and make some money on. I'm gonna go back to MU for now. MU just, I mean, that's what we're looking at today. I mean, this was, yeah, since 8 o'clock it's been shedding. It's getting some bounce here. QCOM is pushing even higher now. And you can see, you can confirm this by looking at the 5-minute. Look at the 5-minute pushing it up. 195 right back up to 200. We'll see, is it going to hold? Is it going to break this $200 level? But you got to be aware that if you're looking at QCOM, you look at the 6-month chart. Let's go to the 1-year chart. You look back here, it had a ton of struggle here at 206. So if we get to 206, I wouldn't be surprised, but then I would assume it's going to die off from there. Everything else is so green. It's really difficult. I'm going to be just basically waiting for earnings to make these trades. Yeah, Dutch Bros that was an amazing call on the WAP. That was just amazing. That was literally, everybody's up like almost 10, 11 points on that trade, which is insane. So that was awesome. Almost 10, 11 points on that trade, which is insane. So that was sick. So great job on Bros. Let's see here. Yeah, QCOM double top potential here at 205. We'll see if we get that push back down. Yeah, I agree. It might not be so safe. Depends which stock you're trading. Which stock are you trading? I think so. I was losing my mind. Yeah, trading on the hood, Robin Hood. I like that. MU stock got a beautiful bounce. QCOM still pulling back. You know what's interesting? GME at $23. For some reason, this GME, it does interest me at $23. Just pulled back, but I'm gonna stay away for now. But you do have levels of potential support here around $23. So, but I mean, it's hard to trade this company. It's like kind of dog shit. Like, where are they really gonna go? They sell video games, right? And they have all their money in Bitcoin. For me, that's not really it. They gotta like open up a data center or something. Big Bear was popping and then sold off like always does. Big Bear, I'm interested if we pull back to $6 per share. So Oracle finally, Oracle's pretty much bear flagging right now. This is either a double bottom or a bear flag. I'm just looking at Oracle on this trend line here. It's got to hold this. We'll just leave this for later. Let's see what it does on Oracle stock. So this is what we got right now. It's trading in this wedge. So once it gets out of this pattern, then we'll get an idea. You have Owl stock. Let me see. I'm just trying to see what else we can trade. Right now, there's not much. I mean, MU, we're waiting for that pullback. Klarna is starting to find its footing. It's got to break above $40 per share, though, to even be interesting. If it can break above $40, get above that resistance, we'll go back to that. Yeah, QCOM I actually lost $3 on. How sad is that? I lost money. I made money on MU. I made money on the stock moving down versus moving up. So QCOM, we're up $243 right now. But we got to see. I mean, it's got to break this 204 range right now. Community flag detected. I don't know what that means. There we go. Oh, this guy. That's why. This guy's probably like a, I guess this is like a, probably a AI or something. Yeah, let's see if we can break the 205.55. The YouTube portfolio is really starting to grow. Almost at 160 now. Crazy. It's just blowing up to the moon. Everything's green in the YouTube portfolio. This is nice. MU's bouncing nicely. Everybody always asks about these long-term portfolios, and I'll just give an example. Like I'll just quickly switch over to SPSM. Like I added this in my long-term portfolio. Now, if you look at the year, I bought these guys down here at 34, which is awesome. But I just re-added at $45. So it's like I bought down here at 34. I re-added at 44, 45. Cost base around 40. Just continue to buy long term. I mean, over the long term, it's going to be okay. So I'm going to be holding SPSM for over 10 years. So I'll continue to just dollar cost average in, put the money in, forget about it. I did the same with a bunch of other ETFs and index funds. You can get that on the WAP. You can see what I've been buying. So QCOM really stalling here, but it doesn't mean it's over. It could potentially, just gotta wait. It's gonna break 205. If it breaks 205, I'll be interested in trading it again and getting in higher. Just trading higher. Market is so bullish today, it's crazy. It's going in real positive with the news. A stock like QCOM, we'll set some alerts, go from there. Amazon, as long as it holds 225. Ton of rejections at 224.50. As you can see, rejection here, rejection here. Now it's above it. And where is it rejecting before earnings? 228. So let's see. Here's Amazon. Yeah, QCOM is trying to hold 200. Look at that green line. Green line of money. It's trying to hold 200 right now. This is QCOM. You do have VWAP at 193. So if we get a retest of VWAP from Qualcomm, that would be interesting. Waiting for that pullback on QCOM. Just sitting up here like this huge green wick. How is the battery running low? Not charging? There we go.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, man? You hear me?
Where's your microphone?
Hey, what's up, man? You hear me? Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, sweet. Yeah, I just hold on, I'm just muting this. There we go. You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, sweet. I got you on my laptop instead of my phone because I'm doing TikTok live. So the TikTok is still going. Guys, if you want to join, just join the Discord. You can join through there. It's free. What you should do is join the WAP and pay us. That's what you should do. But you do whatever you want to do. Whatever makes you happy.
You live on TikTok right now?
Yeah. I'm watching QCOM right now.
Yeah, they finna. I saw that they don't have their own chips.
Yeah, QCOM is going to go for its own data centers, right?
Yep, and they chips too.
That is huge, dude. I mean, that's a huge thing. But, I mean, they got to prove it, obviously. But they pumped to 205. They rejected twice. So they topped out there. They're going to retest this level right here at 195. So we're going to see, you know?
Hey, I did my first put, bro.
What'd you do?
I said I did my first put on gold. I wasn't going out.
Oh, now you're buying puts. Now we buying puts. Guys, if you want access to the Discord that you can hear Jay Young talking on, you just got to join the WAP. $10 a month, you join the WAP, you can talk with us right now. And Jay Young will put you within the Discord. So you let me know if you join the WAP. Just send me a message and we'll put you in. Yeah, so I'm watching, I mean, GLD. You buying puts on that, this man.
Yeah, I bought the put because I had a January call, and then I knew it was going to drop. So I took my 1,300. So I took like a $400 loss, but then I bought a put on gold so that I could break even.
What they don't know about you is you made 3,700 on that gold call. So Jay Young had 3,700 on his gold call.
This is my second gold. This is my second gold call.
His gold prints money.
Yeah, this is the second. You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I hear you fine.
Yeah, this is the second gold call that I'm in that I just sold.
That's sick.
So I got out of it because I saw it was going back down to three. When I saw it, I was like, "Ooh, they got support at 371." So I did a 371 put, and then sold my gold call immediately this morning.
Nice. Do you think this has to do with Bitcoin, though?
Puts. You said what?
Do you think this has to do with Bitcoin? It seems like they're saying apparently that they're trading opposite of each other.
It's because of Bitcoin. It's because of Bitcoin and then the China deal, because I guess they say they have a China deal. They just need to have Trump them talk.
Oh, I see.
And so since there's a deal, there's no rare earth minerals issues. Gold was going to drop no matter what.
Interesting.
So if they really go back to the UPS thing like you was talking about, if that deal really happens, UPS is probably finna run.
UPS is something that I think we need to watch.
I know you said June. You looked at the June call, didn't you?
Yes. Yeah, I've been watching that.
Yeah, I think when I looked at the June call, I think it was. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you fine. Is my mic cutting out or something?
Yeah.
Or?
No, I just turned my car on.
Oh, I see. Okay. Right.
Yeah, I think when I looked at that June call, I think it was like $500-600.
It's not bad.
Your audio and video recording this ride for your safety.
See, APOD is getting a lot of talk.
I know, but it's $34 already, man. Used to be $5.
I said, bro, we was talking them and looking at that thing under $10.
It's crazy. I know, it sucks. You had a lot of good calls.
Guess what? You know what is running?
What's running?
BMNR, you BMNR, you motherfucker.
Yeah, BMNR really is popping right now.
Tom Lee's finna take over as the top fund manager.
A BMNR?
No, what's it called? Like the big whale investors? Because remember, I put a list in there the other day. It was somebody, Kathy Woods, and then Tom Lee. All Tom Lee needed to do was let Ethereum run, and he would take over the #1 spot.
I see what you're saying, yeah. It's freaking crazy, dude.
Yeah, I think it was something on there I posted. It was like the big top 10 big whale investors or something, and he was number 3.
Dude, anything that guy talks about just pumps. Happy Monday, Crane Guy. We got Crane Guy on TikTok. I've been trying to get this guy, Jay Young. I can't get him to join the WAP. We've been trying. It's not working.
Crane Guy?
Yeah, well, he's on TikTok.
Oh, okay.
His name is Crane Guy. You're trying to get him to join, buddy. He won't join. The $10.
I still ain't seen Marcus.
Happy Monday. Oh, Marcus? Yeah, Marcus joined and then he died out.
Now, Marcus ain't here to get the information. That's what he doing.
You want the information?
He want them call. He want the information in them calls. That's what he want.
Smart man.
Long as he paying, I guess I don't care.
He is paying. I'd rather have people be more in tune. Jay Young,
yeah, but like
this Crane Guy cracks me up. I send him the link, and he always says, it ain't working for me. The link don't work for me.
Hey, create a QR code. Since the link don't work.
I don't even know how to do that, man. You know I'm not technological savvy like this. Let's see here. Here,
let me see if I can do my
Yeah, send me yours. I'll send them yours. Send me yours.
I'm about to see if ChatGPT can make my referral code a QR code.
Tell me you want all that cash money. Where did you send it to me? Was it in our messages or was it in the WA? Oh, actually, was it in the WA or is it in the Discord? Your referral.
Yeah.
Do you remember which one it was in?
No, I think it was in the
Discord.
It was in the Discord.
Yeah, let me check. This guy cracks me up. He was always making me waste time trying to send him this damn referral. This guy never joins. I don't know why I keep trying to send it to him. There you go. I got it. I found it. Okay, try this one. This one's for you, Crane Man. Boom. There's a referral. If that referral don't work, I'm gonna send it to Jay Young for him to test on it because I know you're lying to me. I just sent it to you. Yeah, when I click on it, it shows it. Boom, there it is. So I know that works. That's all I'm doing. I did my part. Now I'm gonna focus on trading.
Look, I just sent you the QR code. I had what's the name do it.
You boy ChatGPT?
Yep.
Where did you even get it from though?
What do you mean?
No. When you sent it to me, where'd you send it? The WAP?
I sent it to the Discord.
Oh, the Discord. Okay.
Yeah, I just copied my link, my actual link, and I said use this link as a scannable QR code. Let me see. You on live? How do you search for people on live on here? What the hell?
I don't know where you sent it though. That's the thing. Like, this is your link. When I click on it, boom, here it is. Trying to hold VWAP here.
I'm in the chat.
He in the chat. Yeah, look. He said, "Who doesn't want to join?" I love this guy. See, look at this. Qualcomm getting interesting here because now it's pulling back to VWAP. What do you think about this, Jae-Young? It's at VWAP. The VWAP bounce, baby.
Where's your ADMA?
My who?
ADMA.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, EMA you're talking about. You say EMA?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. It's VWAP 193.67. I'd be very surprised if we don't bounce at this VWAP.
Talking about he. I don't know why he don't just want to join.
You know what it is? People want to see results.
He'll see all the results when he come in the group.
I know. You know what it is? It's not even a high barrier to get in. That's the crazy part. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, I was doing the math on somebody. I saw them. They was charging $200 for they Discord Patreon, and I said, bro, they making like $48,000 a month.
I know. It's crazy, right?
It worked. Who is he in here now? Jacob Eacher?
Oh, don't say his name just for his privacy, but I appreciate it. He's in?
I'm on speakerphone?
Oh, well, I have you on my I have you on my laptop.
Oh shit.
Let's
My
go.
bad.
That's fine. He's called the Crane Man for a reason.
Yeah, my bad. I didn't know they could hear me.
No, it's my fault. I have you on YouTube live stream and I have the TikTok going. So it just traded under VWAP. This is interesting, bro. What?
Your link don't work. That's what it is. That's what he said. Your link don't work.
Yeah, I guess maybe he's telling the truth. It's probably me. Usually it's me. Jae-Young is like does all the technicals for me, and there's a reason that, you know. Let me see. I'll check the WAP. I'll see if he's in.
How long you think I should? He's in there because I can see him.
Oh, you can't add him to the Discord. Oh, sick.
Yeah, I see him. Unless that's somebody else.
I have no idea. But the TikTok says it worked, so I guess he's in. Yeah, maybe that's it. I'm sending out the wrong codes. Guys, this is we'll see what it does here. I mean, it's trading. This is Qualcomm for you guys to see. I wonder if this is going to continue selling off, but interesting. I mean, it's trading just below VWAP. I'm very surprised it broke VWAP. Usually you get a bounce of VWAP, but let's see what happens here.
Hey, my gold put, I did a 371 put, 269 up 79% right now.
Dude, freaking beast mode.
Yeah, when I saw gold was like that, bro, I said, I am not going out like that. Y'all not about to take my money. So I took that. I closed my call on gold, even though I had it to January. I said, nope. And then put that put on. I said, I'm not about to do this.
Amazing. Now, Jae Young, let me ask you. So he used your referral code. So send it to me again so I have it so I can put it in the TikTok.
You have it.
Well, is it the one I sent you is working? Because I'm going to use that one then.
Yeah, I'll resend it, but yeah.
That's the one, right? I just sent it to
click
TikTok.
on it, when I click on it, it just takes me back to the
Because you can get Crane Guy in the chat if you want. Because now he can join the Discord. He's a member of the WAP. Unless he's working the crane right now. We don't want that responsibility.
It's stupid.
What'd you say?
I was laughing at what you said.
Yeah.
Unless he's working a crane. Is he a lineman or something? He a craneman for real?
I don't know. I'm just going off of his name. It says that Crane Guy. So he's either does craniotomies on the brain or he's doing construction work like a boss. Crane guys do well, so he's got some expendable cash.
Bro, did you see that news about SpaceX and Apple?
No, what happened? Apple's offering iPhones in the cloud.
Now, Apple, Elon them is going to plan on working with Apple to connect with SpaceX satellites.
Oh wow,
through the iPhone.
That's sick.
Now they like it was on X.
I'm just making sure Crane Man knows that he's got access to all this.
And I'll send the Discord right now.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Crane, we're gonna send you the Discord so you got access to it. Guys, if this is making me wonder. This yellow line here, oh, my TikTok is saying, hold on, there we go. This yellow line here is the VWAP. So we're gonna see here, is it gonna break VWAP? Because it just broke through it. I'm gonna reset the chart so you can see it, a nice pullback here. Are we gonna get this curl back up to 198? I'm gonna find out right now. I'm gonna find out today. Ricky Bone, welcome, welcome. Guys, join through Jae Young's referral link. And you will get a cookie.
Shit.
We in the green, baby. We in the green. Look at this.
Did you buy a,
I bought that VWAP bounce, baby. I bought QCOM.
You did?
Yeah, let me show all the TikTok guys. Look at that. Bam. Up 890 bones. That was a sick trade. So let me break down this trade for you guys. We just made $890. I was calling out that QCOM, that freaking VWAP. Anytime you get that pullback, you got to be aware that VWAP's right there. It's that first retest of VWAP right there. Boom. I sold my shares at 194. We got in around 192.5. Got 1.5 on it. That was a sick trade. We'll take our money, take our cash money, and now we have wiggle room. So now we're going to go in and out with smaller share size, and let's see what we got working on here. There we go. So I like that trade. That was a nice trade. I want to see if we get a further pullback. We're going to go back into this. Now, this could be confirming that VWAP rejection. Beware of this. Because it does look like it. I mean, look at this thing. Wow, look at that selling off. Now, because I just made 900, I'm going to buy 100 shares here. So what else is going on? You got on. So tell me about the gold.
You say what?
Tell me about the gold.
What about it?
Are you still in it, right?
My gold put, yeah. Yeah, that gold put, I'm up like 270 right now, like 80%.
Nice. Nice. So, I'm up 1,800, Jay Young. I accidentally meant to buy 100 shares, and I forgot that I have my buy order.
Oh, 2,000.
I bought fucking 1,500 shares. Didn't even realize. I literally, because the thing is, I have hotkeys, so it's like my hotkeys were set for 1,500 shares.
Your hotkey, you got hotkeys set on the laptop?
Yeah, on the laptop. So what it was is, let me show you these gains. This is sick. That was an accident. I'll take it. I thought I was in, and I tried selling 100 shares, and it said I had 1,400 shares left. Look at that. Look, we're up. You looking at TikTok? We're up $1,800 right now. Now, we were trading that VWAP bounce there. And now we're up $1,812. So we'll take it. We bought a lot of shares now. We didn't mean to go that heavy. We're trying to limit it to 500 shares, but I have hotkeys, so with the hotkeys, you can kind of rapid fire a little bit. But hey, it worked out. I obviously could have held. I'd be up even more. Now, Jay, you still there?
Yeah.
But like back in the day when I was up this much, I would just keep going heavy, and get stuck in a bag. So I'm gonna cut it back a little bit. We'll do 500 shares max now. Gives us a little wiggle room trading Qualcomm. And why am I trading Qualcomm? Because they just announced that bullish news. You want to trade stocks that have catalyst mentalities. You want stocks that can actually move. You know, you need to be trading the ones that actually have potential for big moves, and that's what this has right now. Isn't it crazy? The live stream on YouTube has no views, but TikTok always gets more views. Like, TikTok really is so much better. It's incredible.
Because TikTok, everybody's on TikTok, bro.
That's what I've noticed, yeah.
Yeah, everybody's on TikTok. TikTok and Instagram is where everybody's at.
Instagram, really?
Yep.
I like TikTok. I feel like it's very, very functional, very easy to make videos, you know?
But yeah, you probably wouldn't use Instagram like that though.
Nah, I don't even have it.
But Instagram now is everybody's business card. Even from corporate, Facebook, Twitter, all the big companies they pretty much are using social media as their business card. But
Makes
you funnel
sense.
all your information from Instagram to your TikTok to your Facebook. They ain't even telling you to go to their website no more. They're telling you to go to Instagram.
Yeah, I got to get to like 10,000 subs apparently to like monetize this TikTok channel. It's crazy.
Bro, I heard they pay good.
Oh, do they? I mean, I can tell you from
TikTok?
YouTube,
Yeah,
you know, I told you 100,
they
200 bucks
pay.
a month, you know, nothing crazy. All my money's from trading.
Right.
Everybody thinks I'm rich from the WAP. We're not rich. What do we got, 20 members in there?
Oh, I don't even know. It's usually only 3 of us.
I know. When
Every
you look
time
at
I
it, it's
look,
like,
say 3 people online.
we got like 5, 6 at max at a time. I mean, there's these other TikToks going on. People have hundreds of viewers. Hundreds of viewers. Incredible. But I like our group we got. We're up 1,800 bones on the day.
If I want to keep letting this play go, or should I get out, is the question.
What? Let me see. Hold on. GLD?
Yeah.
You're making me back off. I'm backing off. Guys, if you are trading right now, you're trading QCOM, 195 has to break this level. You're running into rejection at 195.8. So I think it's going to break through, but just beware. All right, let's go to GLD. Guy, isn't it freaky how the market is so bullish? I mean, the market is insanely bullish. All right, you're in calls?
I'm in the put.
Okay, I like that you said you're in puts because you had this sell-off here down to 365. Your next push, if you're going to close, is going to be 363, 364. But I don't blame you if you're going to take some profit there.
Let me see. I got a
Crane guy.
2-day put.
Crane guy, what I want you to do is if you hear me on TikTok, mention open. You're going to see like a flock of certain people in our WAP that literally live for open stock. Just send them what you're doing and they're going to love it. I want him to experience it for himself when he meets Oz.
What you say? You say open? You say what?
Yeah. Open stock, baby.
Bro, Netflix murdered me, dude.
Well, you go woke or broke,
I'm
as
down.
you say, right? Is that what the saying is? What is that saying?
I'm down 1,400 on Netflix.
Really? What do you mean? Why are you doing this big of a play and not even telling me?
Yeah, I did. I told you in the group I was playing Netflix earnings.
You did. Well,
I didn't hear.
You did. But the thing is,
see, I didn't. When I was doing my research, none of that Brazilian tax stuff came up.
yeah, I know
And
that's
I said,
the problem.
Where the crap did this come from?
Look, you see my YouTube live stream or TikTok. This is the candle you got caught in. Look at this, 1250 down to 1100. It's crazy. But what I'm looking for is I'm definitely going to be looking to buy this.
12. I did a 12 at 12:20. I did a 12:40 call,
Ooh.
and then it dropped. The next morning, here. This is what I did. The next morning, I averaged down and bought 2 more contracts for $2.
Hold on. I gotta. Crane Man is saying that he bought RIG, Transocean. I thought I was the only one that knew about this stock. I bought this stock like literally 15 years ago. Literally like 15 years ago. I'm not even joking. And I lost on this stock. Let me see if it even goes back to like, this is like 2000s. I had it at like $20 per share. No. This is what I did. I bought it during this death. And I had it like $36. That sounds familiar. It was like $36 or $46 per share. And it just died on me. RIG Transocean, rest in peace. I don't know if I can buy this, Crane Man. I would love to buy 1,000 shares of this, but I'm too afraid. But he's saying he's doing open calls. Let's see. Some open action.
I will wait till the next pullback.
I know. Well, we tried waiting for the pullback and it bounced right at 7. Oz was right about that play.
Yeah, because, well, I guess you could get in now because it'll really run once Powell talks.
Oh, He's talking today, right?
No, Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday. You know, open stock needs like a merger or something. They need like, I don't know. They need something. I just sent it to the WAP for Oz to enlighten him on the millions he could be making if he invests into open.
Bro, I gotta put more money into SPLG, but I needed to pull back, man. Freaking BMNR, I'm sitting there 52 shares.
Guys, look, Qualcomm pulling back. Yeah, Jay Young, I'll be right back. I just got to pay the contractor. He just finished something at my house. So I'm still here, but I'm going to be...
You got that pool?
Drive. That's... just say text one here. QCOM. Just made 1800. Let me bring this up. All right, I'll be right back, man. I'm just going to leave the live stream going.
How you doing?
Open stock pulling back or what?
I didn't look at it. Leave some open? Let's see. Let's look at open. Look at open. How far we want to go out on open? With January, 81 days. I want to do a call. How far you was looking out?
Yo, Jay Young.
Yeah.
What do you trade anything right now or no? You just letting your gold call sit?
No, I ain't.
Gold puts?
Yeah, I ain't doing nothing.
QCOM at 190 right now. We interested or what?
I'm waiting for, all of SPLG got earnings this week.
I know. I'm like, part of me like doesn't want to trade anymore because I'm like, I'm up 1,800. But I see QCOM at 190. Can I turn this into 2K? Just don't want to buy another 1,000 shares. Here we go.
Yeah, I need to start doing that, bro.
What?
I don't be trading the whole shares like you be doing.
Well, you're just better with the options. I mean, I do options, but not as often as you see, you know? Yeah, let me know if that worked for you, Jay Young.
What?
The referral.
Yeah, even some of these swings that I'm finding that are like a little bit cheaper.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I gotta realize I gotta put a couple of thousand into those to even see anything out of it. 'Cause I've been testing them out for the past like 2 weeks and then making like $5, $6, $7. But I'm only putting like 300 in at a time. And using the stop losses.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Nah, I need to get to the point where I'm putting like 2,000-3,000.
Yeah, but you have to be able to take that loss. That's what you got to tell yourself. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I just want to...
That's why I'll be sticking with the options. I'm like, bro, I can just do the options and just let it ride.
Because you're trading with less. I get it, you know? Guys, just break down this QCOM trade that we made 1,800 on right here. 204, double rejection bounce. I said, okay, I missed this move up. What'd I do? I bought the yellow, which is the VWAP. I bought the VWAP bounce. I was watching it, rejected. Bought right here at 192.5. Why'd I enter that trade? I bought RSI. I was at 30 right there on the 1 and the 5 minute. It was less than 30. And I'm trading the technical indicator right there, knowing it's going to retest VWAP. If it doesn't retest VWAP and makes lower lows, 190 was my stop. cut that loss there, retest up here, sold, took profit. Now we're watching it again. It's rejecting VWAP at 193, 194. We got to keep an eye on that.
Yeah, I got to get out of because my put expired tomorrow anyways. I was like, nope.
Yeah, if it's going to, dude, just be safe, you know? You don't want to be waking up and boom, it's not worth shit.
And right now it's up.
So I'm watching level 2
I might
here.
put it to sale. Put a sale to close at 680.
What are you watching?
Said I'm probably finna put a sale to close on my gold put at $6.80.
Nice. I'm just scalping QCOM right now. I'm buying this 190. I'm only doing 5. I'm lowering.
I'm looking at it.
What'd you say?
I say I'm looking at it, and this high is it repeated the 170 area, and then got up to 629.
Nice.
But then today it got up as high as 680. So I'm gonna put the order in the sale at 680 because it's already 10:30.
10:30. It's 11:30, bro. That's right.
It's 10:30 where I am.
You're Central. I'm Eastern.
Yep.
MJ, you look. Apparently, MJ is looking at contracts on UNH for $1. I don't know where he's seeing contracts for $1. Is this weeklies? Where are you finding this?
Yeah, he more than likely looking at a weekly. As even I'm looking at the ones on the 31st, the lowest contract I see 387. That's out of the money for 340. So is he looking at a put or a call?
I don't know. I mean, he's on TikTok saying, I'm going to see if he says anything. I don't even know if he's in the live stream anymore.
Yeah, because
We're up 18.79 now. I'm trying to get to 2K, and I'm like, this is bad trading, because now I'm trading P&L and not trading the actual setup, so I'm just going to pull back and just not trade it. Let's see if we get a pullback on QCOM. Is it going to pull back even further from 190? I mean, this move has really started to pull back here. I really do like my opportunity to get in here, but we already got gains on the day. We're over trading. And now I'm just taking trades just to trade. So I want to see what QCOM does here. That's Qualcomm, guys, for those of you watching on the TikTok. GLD, take your gains, dude. You got puts on them. I sent to him, trying to see which expiration he's buying.
yeah, he got to be on the put because the lowest I see is a 685 strike, and that's that's way out of the money.
Okay.
And it was for 380. $3.80. So he has to be looking at a put. Unless he's looking at like a 400 or 430 strike price, which then that would make sense that it's $1. It look like the market just consolidating now. Ain't that moving and grooving?
So he's buying. I got to see. Let's see. So Crane Man we're going to consider it. He's buying calls 380s buying these calls. It's on a nice movement. He said he's based on support and resistance. I guess maybe he's doing the pullback here. When I look at the 1 year on this, I think he's trading right into resistance. He's got to get above $4 per share. But let's see. Maybe he's trading that it's going to break this. 4.5 and $5 expiring this week. All right. Got any potential catalysts for these guys? I'm telling you, RIG and oil is so hard to trade. See that dip I bought? I bought at 190. I sold so quick. And it's already popping. Looking at, it's crazy. Looking at Qualcomm. I guess I should have held on to that dip. I bought 190 and didn't hold, but watch Qualcomm climb back up now. That's usually what it does.
Damn, Netflix done dropped my year to date down to 22%. Mother.
Really?
I was at 43, bro. Playing Netflix earnings.
Well, that's what you got to be careful over, you know?
Bro, all my research was there except for that stupid tax thing. I'm like, bro, where did that come from?
Well, yeah, how are you going to trade that? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm like, bro, y'all got to be kidding me. And they would have smoked earnings by like $1 and something. So I'm hoping if I can get it back up to 50, 60%, I'm going to get out of it. New all-time high SPLG, baby.
It's crazy, right?
We just got to close. We had 80-40. Yeah, what I've been doing is instead of like constantly buying, like you saying every week, I wait for a 1% pullback.
Yeah, it's smart.
I wait for a 1% pullback, buy 2 to 5 shares. That way I'm not putting it all in there at one time.
Yeah, exactly. You just got to like play it smarter.
I know what y'all doing. So far, y'all think y'all quit. People,
Who?
they taking their profits, but so far, got
Yeah,
earnings
'cause it ran up,
tomorrow
man.
after the bell.
So it ran up to the moon.
I tell people, I said, bro, you know all the stuff SoFi has been doing in the last 2 quarters. All they need is the interest rates to drop. You get that new pool?
I saw that? Nah. We did some paperwork and stuff. No pool. We got family so close. We got family so close.
Get a sauna.
It's just not worth it.
Sauna and a hot tub.
Yeah, yeah, we'll do that. I don't want the taxes going up with pool. You know what I mean?
How much would it increase the value of the house though?
Yeah, I know. It's like if you want to quick sell it, right?
40K?
I don't know. But the thing is, it's like, do we need one is really the question, you know?
Y'all got community pool?
No community. We have like family that's so close. Just use their pool.
You know, my pool in my backyard, so you know, I just jump out the window. Jump out the window and heated. It's open all year round.
That's sick.
Ain't never owning no house. Staying in my condos.
Yeah, I mean, when you own, there's a lot more expenses that come with it. It sucks.
I know. I live through y'all. Hot water heaters. Everything else. I'm good. I need it for options.
Use that money for use that extra tax money for options, baby.
Yeah, I'm about to start and more contracts though.
What are you trying to do?
Less plays, more contracts. Usually I'll do 1 or 2 contracts. Probably start doing it to where I build it up to like 5 or 6 or 4 or 6, make it even.
Yeah.
But who knows? I might just stick to the 1 contract.